Thanks to the new rinse valve and double milk pipework, the appliance rinses the pipes fully automatically. The pipes are rinsed thoroughly a maximum of 2 hours after the first milk drink has been dispensed. No need to disconnect and reconnect the milk pipework for maximum user convenience. In detail, the process is as follows. The lower milk pipework is used exclusively for the rinsing process. 2 non-return valve balls prevent the water used for rinsing from flowing into the milk container. When the milk pipework is rinsed, the inflowing water ensures that the first non-return valve ball closes the entry to the milk container. The second non-return valve ball opens the channel to the lower milk pipework so that the water can flow back to the spout. As a result, all of the milk pipework is thoroughly rinsed and any water residue is then evaporated.